I wanted to show you the snowstorm we're having again. Here's all the snow on the truck. Look at that. Showing all the snow on your truck. They're cleaning off all the lights. And the license plate off. Look at the ladder. Covered. Some thick stuff wrapping around up there. And there's the big snowstorm we're having today. We've already plowed the parking lot, so. Everybody's, yeah, it's coming down. The wind was blowing. Started getting drifts. And it started drifting over everything. And there's a black taco waiting to get the new engine. Getting the drift. It drifts all over. So quite a bit of snow. That big drift. Yep, big drift. Yep, see that? Everybody, whole town's closed down. See, there's a road out there. When you see any cars driving by, closed down all schools. Let's see how deep it is over here. There's wind blowing underneath, making these big drifts. So it's about up over my ankles. Alright, hopefully by summertime we'll have the engine and have the black taco lifted, ready to go. Okay, that's our snowstorm for today, folks. Yep, same with the Blazer. We'll be lifting the Blazer, getting that thing ready by summer too. Take the doors off so you can see all the feet pumping, everything. There you can see the snow just flying across there. That wind starts picking up. And the drifts start coming. Yep, nasty out here. 35 degree, 40 mile an hour winds. We got about, I think it's about 8 degrees out here right now. That real fluffy snow, real dry, fluffy. And you can see how fluffy it is. That's how deep that stuff is. There. Alright, that's about it for today. Hopefully we can get some videos coming up here shortly once this weather subsides here, but we keep getting all these storms, so alright. I'll leave you at the black taco. Thanks for watching.